Alright, a lot of times you'll have a view and you'll want to have some text before or after it, or in some cases you'll want to have a couple of different stuff like glossaries and things like that. Um, Sometimes it'll help to use, for that you can use views attach. Uh, Views attach, yeah, right here. Download it, and again, this is probably just for 6, but this is a great way of putting views and attaching them together. Let's take a look at what's going on in the background here. And go to edit the view. So here we have the view that creates that list of text on the left-hand side of the pages. And you notice that there was that content manager at the bottom of it. The way we've done that is we've come down here and we've created an attachment. So just go to an attachment there in your view, and then it's as simple as setting up your fields as you usually might, and then clicking here to determine which of these displays within your view you're going to attach this new view to. And in our case, we did something really simple with the field. We just set it up to have a little global text in there, and we told it to attach to all these different views. That way, our content managers can find the dashboard for those windows pretty easily. To further simplify things, we went in here and we set the access to be for multiple roles. That way we could make this view, we could set the visibility on this view on a role-based basis. Quick thing to consider when you're doing these access things, something that might trip you up, is that you need to consider the permissions. Let's take a look there real quick. Here in the views table, you're going to need to go ahead and make sure that access all views is turned off. This would overwrite. If you turn this on, that would overwrite the permissions in the particular view. So just something to consider when you're building a views attachment and working with permissions, is that you go to the permissions table and uncheck those fields. That's the gist of it. Here's another example of some attached views. Other nice thing about them is that you can pass arguments along through them, so you can come down here and determine whether the arguments from your main view are being passed along. You can, of course, inherit exposed filters. You can set the position, whether you want this view to come before or after the main view. And that's about it. It's a really handy way of connecting views. Take care and have a nice day.